Just testing a little bit of a different setup for this teardown today, and have a Mobil IT brand USB hub. It's a 7-port USB 2.0 hub, model UH712, and it's nothing special, so I thought I'd see what's inside. Definitely not something I never use. It feels really cheap. So let's see what we get. It has a rubberized finish to it, which feels horrible. It's already sticky. I don't think this thing's that old either. Alright. Should just be clipped together. This did use an external power supply along with a mini USB input, which is kind of interesting. Something's holding it. I'm not sure what. I wonder if there's a screw under the label. The label didn't come off very cleanly. Not that it matters, I guess. It's not the label. Is there a screw under the, yep, screw under the serial number. Alright, let's see what we get here. Yep. So, just your run-of-the-mill plastic housing with rubberized coating over the top for whatever reason. Honestly, would have been better without probably, but their choice, not mine. And here's the control board, or main board. Whoops. So, yeah, just a really cheap USB hub. The LED indicators that were kind of neat. I don't know if those were visible though. Alright, this is semi-translucent, so those must have shined through the front to indicate the USB ports were being used. Oops. There's a controller chip on this. It's an FE 2.1 USB 2.0 hub. LG 3M360A 2360. And who knows if that'll be in focus, but this is kind of a guinea pig test of using GoPro to record teardowns, so hopefully it's interesting, and thanks for watching.